Okay, let's do this.
You have one sub. Wait, how many subscribers do you have? Wait, why am I playing as this guy?
Wait, what guy? Wait, what the hell? Wait, oh.
I didn't even want to play as this guy.
Wait, this chick.
I selected the white dude.
Wait, who? Wait, Jono. Am I looking at you?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you are white.
No.
Or did you choose to, like, okay. God.
What? I have black hair though.
Yeah. Did you choose the blonde guy?
Yeah.
Oh, weird. Okay. Where'd you go? Ditch this motherfucker.
Holy shit, that's fast as fuck.
I mean, motherfucker.
You can see me. I fucking found you, stupid.
That's like, oh shit.
Yo, I hear a radio. I'm going over here.
Oh, well, oh yeah, I see one, I see one.
Here, can I get it?
Oh.
Wait, is this map pretty much just like all outside? Damn, I wanna find the cave.
Cave? Okay, wait, where do you guys go? Alright.
Into the water!
Water.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Yes, it's beautiful beach. Beautiful spot.
Why don't we just walk on the edge of the map?
Hey, John. You got a nose job?
What?
You got a nose job?
Thank you so much for that. Wait, Matt, have you?
Yes, of course I have. Dude, look how, like, hill. Background.
Holy shit,
Like,
he's right behind
yes. Oh, whoa. Oh,
I don't
whoa,
want to
whoa.
look.
Oh my gosh, John, look at this guy's pearly whites. Okay. Fabulous.
If I need a bit of somewhere.
That's not too bad.
Holy fuck, he's behind us.
You guys go.
Holy fuck balls.
Oh, where'd you guys go?
Right. We're right behind you, dipshit.
Oh, shit.
Oh
God.
fuck. Oh fuck. Where'd you go? Ham. Did I change the difficulty to like nightmares?
Where the fuck did you guys go?
I'm right behind you.
Okay, there's...
Oh
no, John!
God,
John,
straight up.
get over here. You look so dumb running. Okay. Sorry, what difficulty did you put this on?
I don't know. I may have messed up. Because I thought I choose the blonde dude. But apparently I didn't.
Oh, here we go. We found the...
Maybe I'm...
Total canvas.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
there
my goodness.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Fuck Matt. Don't say that shit.
Don't... What, you want me to be like, oh wait, he's right in front of us, look behind you.
Yeah, that'd be much better.
Okay. See the...
Oh, he's behind us though. Look
Yes.
there.
Oh yes, look at that, that's awkward. He has nice pecs.
Yeah.
Very nice body.
He doesn't skip leg day either.
At least if we die... Oh, whoa, look at this tower. Whoa, I've never been over here.
Oh shit, he's right behind us.
Guys, where'd you go? Look, look, I've never been, like, over here. I've been on this map like 2 million times. Okay. Please. Spooky right this.
Maybe not. Oh, that's weird. Totally would have thought there'd be one on these.
Hey, yeah, did you?
It's right behind us.
Oh, fabulous shoes you got there. Dude, look at his freaking legs. Here, stop moving, Quentin. Look at his freaking legs.
Jesus Christ, dude.
What's wrong with my legs?
So ripped.
Dude.
Oh shit, yo, I'm getting green. Oh, he's behind you, Matthew, don't look. I mean, look. Wait, no,
Oh.
there's a green thing to your left, look.
Okay, follow me, guys, follow me, guys. I'll get you guys out of here alive. Oh my gosh, more freaking windmills.
That's bullshit.
Oh, I hear one, I hear one, I
Fucking
hear one.
behind us.
Shh, I hear one. I got it. On, John. Oh, fuck, where's he?
He's like right there. So.
Alright.
He's right behind us. He's behind us.
I didn't even see him. It said I saw him.
He's like right on the other side of this room there. But I lost him.
Nope, he's not there anymore. Hey. Over here.
I'm so freaking fast, Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's like the most terrifying part of this game. Doing like a 180. Hey, someone look into the tunnel. There's another green thing.
John,
Don't look at the green thing. Don't look at the green thing.
it'd be a lot better if all this.
Yeah. It's still.
Oh my god.
Like the guy does like the jump scare on you. You just like the joint to his mouth.
It'll be okay.
He's like, ooh. You're just like, oh man. I can't.
Just
Get
relax.
from my good kush.
Like fluffy purple dragon or something.
Okay, fluffy purple dragon.
Oh,
Jesus
fuck.
Christ!
Shit. Shit, balls, dude. That was fucking scary. Nope, he's still there. He's still there.
That definitely is.
What is he? He's still there.
Oh, yeah,
Yep.
Ooh,
How about
wanker.
Yep, still there.
This is a really
about
hard
now?
map.
Oh, yep, still there. One last check. Oh, he's gone.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
my god, he's shooting me.
oh my god. Here we
He was
go.
just in front of me, so I turned around and then he was right behind me.
Hey guys, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Where are you?
Wait, where'd Matt go?
Oh, jeez,
he's over
Matt,
there.
you're way over there.
Matt, wait up, wait up.
With the program. Oh my gosh, guys, this is spooky. Oh, we found another one. We found another one right here.
Let me get it, let me get it.
Yeah,
Let me get it.
It's gonna be right behind us, I bet you.
Oh, you are wrong.
I actually thought he was gonna be behind us.
Wait, I lost you guys. Oh, never mind.
Hey, John, I'll walk
Never
somewhere.
mind. What?
Oh no, it's Quentin's turn to lead.
Fuck, nope, I'm good.
Come on, Fiona. That's her chick.
Alright,
That's the name.
let's go
Scooby-Doo,
this way.
right?
That's
Fiona.
Okay.
Who's the
Velma.
nerd chick? Oh, Velma. Velma. Yeah.
Velma. Fiona's from fucking Shrek, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh, Fiona's the. Shit.
Fiona is from Shrek.
That's just how ugly you are, Quinn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm a
yesterday.
beautiful fucking princess dipshit.
He's got like
Yes.
a turtleneck.
Yesterday, I was playing zombies with Quentin. I kept on calling him Pepe.
Fuck
That's
Pepe, dude. That's not even.
Come on,
You can't
Pepe.
call
Keep on
me
going.
Fucking
You're Pepe now.
You know,
I
look
don't
at Quentin's neck. It's like super long and it's retractable.
I know, he's like a giraffe. Just
Oh,
imagine
fuck,
like.
God. Yep, I'm going
Oh,
to say.
Jesus.
Okay, fine, I'll lead. Pussies.
Wait, where'd Matt go? I lost you. Oh shit. You don't fucking look that way, dipshit.
Nah,
We were all like,
remember-
he's over there.
Nah, remember Adam? He's like, if I stare at it and flash my flashlight, go away. So he did that and he died.
Yeah. Had so many good memories on this. I can't see Jack squat, guys. I might as well just turn off my light. Okay, my light.
My
Find
light
this
is
tree.
really bright.
I'm gonna find this tree in a second.
Dude, look at his legs. His fucking calves are so small.
Mine? Just eat yours.
Yeah.
Your legs are all like all messed up. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these. Oh, I love how we just like walk right
You
through
just
that.
walked through the...
Yeah. Give myself rope burn. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it looks like a statue just like sun. Oh, I hear one. I hear one. Should be on like this guy's like neck.
Nipples. Nipples.
Oh, dick.
All good.
What the fuck is it? Look at this guy's nose. What the fuck? What the shit?
That's his
Looks like.
fucking, dude, that's his mouth.
Oh.
Yo, I
damn.
found it. It's right here. It's right here. Right here. Hey, right here. Right here.
Oh fuck.
Oh, he's like right there.
Okay, we're at 4.
I don't see him.
Guys, come here. Guys, come here. Just stay in a pack. Climb up. Climb up this guy's arm. Okay, we can't climb. Hey guys, we have to stay in a pack to make this work. Jeez! He's right behind us.
Yo.
My light went out. My light went out. Guys, my light went out.
Oh god, mine is so dim.
No, like, my light is off. Oh wait, no, there we go. Hang on. Okay. Come here, guys. Behind us? Oh, still behind us. Keep on walking. Just keep on walking. Looks like we got a paparazzi.
Look at all that we find.
Oh my gosh, I can't see jack squat with my light.
Yo, it's the windmills again.
Still behind us? Oh, he's not great. Hey, can someone else lead?
Wait.
Oh, shit, he's behind us.
Behind him.
Okay, thanks. Oh, I can't. My light, it's like basically just useless. I really should turn down my volume, but I feel that would take a minute.
Oh god, I can't see anything with my flashlight.
I'm just staring at your ass, John. I'm just staring at your ass. You have very nice pockets.
Yo, here's some. Oh shit. Fuck me, dude.
Oh,
Come
fuck.
on.
Oh,
He was
fuck.
fucking. He was just behind me, and then I turned fucking forward, and he's just fucking sitting there. Dude, why are we playing this stupid ass game?
Alright, stop moving. Everybody just stop and stay still for a second.
Okay. Do not turn around.
Alright, wait. Don't move. Just don't move. Nobody move. I gotta close my curtains. It's too bright in my room.
Okay, my light off.
Me.
Oh no, man, we're good.
We good?
We're good, we can go. Don't know, like, I can't see you. Like, the only thing I'm following is, like, your jeans and your light. That's about it. I say Quentin's gonna die first.
Fuck you.
Just saying. Black guy always dies first.
Oh fuck, he's behind us.
Hey, I think we should sing a song. Anna, are you there?
Yeah.
Hey, sing us a song, baby. We'll join in. It's the final
I love how we only know the like the tune, but we don't know like the beat. Like the words.
I can't wait to watch like the little like random movie.
Yeah.
It looks so
We're gonna like just be.
Yo, on one of them we should try to make a penis.
Oh, we're back to these guys. Sunbathing. Oh
Yo,
fuck.
let's go left. Go left this time.
Chano is just sprinting. I'm sure Quentin's gonna die first, like, I can almost guarantee it.
Probably, because I've fucking played this game before. Really, you don't even die, like, easily. You just have to, like, actually look at him.
No. Obviously he hasn't been screamered yet. Oh shit.
Sometimes he just turns
Oh,
you
shit.
around. Sometimes he'll just grab you and turn you around, bro.
Yeah, sometimes he'll like grab you, turn you around, and you're dead.
It's fucking stupid.
Dude, this music is freaking killing me. I swear.
Yo, where's the fucking things again?
I don't know where any more could be.
And you find the tunnel
At
again.
the next left we can make.
We're going this way because this is the only way that we get back.
John,
I
no,
can't
my
see anything with
flashlight.
my flashlight.
Yeah, my flashlight is just... I'm just, like, staring at your booty.
It's like it goes really dim, and then it gets right back up.
Oh, no, not mine. Not mine. Mine's just...
Really?
Oh, mine just died. Okay. I'm just tapping it. Oh, there you go, turn back on. This fucking sucks. Oh my god.
I'm trying to find the
Tunnel. Oh, we're at the ocean again, or the lake, whatever it is.
Yo, no, guys, we need to turn around. We just walked this way.
Oh shit, great idea, Quentin.
Oh, well, shit. I thought it was a good idea until he was there.
I think we all just need to hunker down into a house, cry, just cry. I really don't know, but it's fine. Yeah.
I don't know why I'm playing this stupid ass game. Yo, I wonder if I should call my dad and ask him to give me some pizza.
I don't know, my light is so dim, I can't even see your eyes.
Can't even see the ground. And I have +1 flashlight.
My flashlight literally doesn't do shit.
I can't see you anymore. Oh my god.
Just walk straight, man.
Oh, yeah, okay, let's just walk straight.
Okay,
I take it he's right behind us.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Follow me, guys.
That's what we're doing, John. That's what we're doing. I don't know how you know where you're going, John.
I can barely see. Jesus Christ, Quentin, your dog's...
You can hear my dog?
Yeah? Oh, I think we found the tunnel. I think we found the tunnel. I swear to God, if I see a windmill, I'm just gonna walk out.
No, if I see a windmill, I'm just gonna look at it.
Actually, no, there will be no winners. That's
Oh, shit! Oh! What? Why?
the black guy died first.
That was the human.
Did you die, Ben?
Yes, I died. Wait,
not-
wait for me, guys.
Did you
I'm
not
right
hear him
behind you.
scream? No, you have to hurry up to us. You're fast as hell as a ghost.
No, I'm not. Dude, I can't even
Because
sprint.
everything is light.
Alright, guys, I'll help you. Alright.
Okay. One black guy down, 2 white kids to go.
Oh, I found the tunnel.
Oh, are you serious? Oh, Jesus!
Did you die?
He just died.
Yeah.
Alright, Jono, yeah, you found the tunnel.
Wait, Jonah, stop moving. I need
I can't see.
Where'd he go?
Yo, just don't move. Stop moving. Don't move.
Are you in the tunnel,
Wait,
Jonah?
Matt,
Yeah,
can
okay,
we
go ahead,
see
go
each
ahead,
other
go
as
ahead.
ghosts?
Yeah. Hey, John, go
Oh,
ahead.
yeah, hey.
I can barely see anything.
Alright,
Oh, I hear one.
nope, it's a green thing. Take a
Oh,
left.
okay. There's a rock in front of you, Jonah. Just keep on going straight.
Hold on, wait up.
Oh, you found a new place. You
Oh
found a
my
new place.
god, what the heck, Matthew?
What?
Oh my god. I scared the shit out of me.
I scared the shit out of
Is there not a radio in here?
me. No, I don't. Or hear one.
Wait, hey, Matt, as ghosts, can we hear a radio?
Yeah. We can't see
Yeah.
the monster. Oh, there's some more water, Jonah. Turn, make a left.
I can barely see. I can only see 4 feet in front of me.
Every time I've played with John, he's always the last one. Like every single time.
Yo, I don't know why I got killed first. That was
Because you're
stupid.
black.
It didn't
If
even
you were
like.
farthest
It
in
didn't
the
even
back.
let me turn around though.
Yeah.
Because you're black.
What?
Because you're black.
Why?
Man, you quit walking like straight through me. It's crazy. Jeez, like.
Hey, Jono, stop moving. I'll be right back. Don't leave me.
No, totally.
I'm just gonna look at the ocean.
Just gonna enjoy the view.
Except I know I'm gonna get turned around and die like this.
Well, am I going into the ocean or am I? Okay, keep on going to the direction you were going before.
Alright, I see Jono, but I don't see Matt. Oh, Matt's in front
It's
of
like
me.
right there.
More water, Jono. Take a left.
What? No.
I'm just going
He's
straight.
just going straight.
I legit cannot see anything.
I love how low
I don't know if
quality
I'm
this
walking
game
into the
is.
water.
No, you're not. You're just walking. No, I love how low quality this game is. Yeah, it's such a good.
Yeah.
Matt, where are you going?
Thought I heard. Nope, nothing. Don't fall on the beach. There's a rock in front of you. Ooh, there's some stuff ahead. I'm gonna take that out. I wonder if I can walk up this. I know I saw glitches.
Yo, Jono, come here. Take a left, left, hard left. Come, yeah, straight. There's a radio over here.
Is?
Oh,
Oh yeah, he's right. No, there is. It's right here. It's next to the tombstone that's open. I'm going straight, John. It's on the right side of it. There you go.
Yeah, I would just go straight again. Yeah, from where you are.
I'm just watching.
Oh, hold on. Don't move. I'm gonna take a look at this sign. That has absolutely no words on it. That's
Says
useless.
nothing.
Here,
You're getting-
radio.
To my right, and
No,
there's a
that's-
green
Oh, it's not a
thing
radio.
straight
It's not a
ahead.
radio. It's not a radio. It's a green thing.
Yeah, I know. He's like, I'm forced to go left. It was to my hard right, and that green thing was straight ahead. Oh, he got me.
John is dead.
You're dead. All I hear is a scream.
All right, let's see.
You
All
are dead.
right, let's see. Let's see this rerun of it.
Alright, I had to go really fast.
Damn, John, you survived way longer than us. Neighbor record is found. Distance walk. I walk longer than you do.
I have no
Streams. Replay. Alright, this is what I'm looking forward to.
Where we didn't go.
Off we go. These songs.
So exciting.
I know. We go in circles like 10 times.
Yo, I bet you we didn't even go up. The upper.
Oh my god.
Holy cow.
Oh, there goes Quentin. There goes
Go,
me.
Matt.
Yeah, Matt barely. You guys just started to go up.
Oh, there you go. Wow. That map's huge.
Alright, well.
Oh,
I'm gonna
Matthew,
go
look
with
what I
that.
unlocked.
You unlock. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's
Okay.
over it.